Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Here the value of x plus y is asked to you. So what is the first expression given over here? Log of x base 3 base 2 and base 2 is equal to 0. Now guys, let's take both the sides on power of 2 at power of 2. 2 power 0 is equal to 1, we are knowing. 2 will be sent up and everything else will be brought down. So log of x base 3 over here, base 2 over here, and it will be written by me as log of 2 base 2, that is equal to 1. So log of base 2 and base 3 is equal to 1, we are knowing. Now let's write both the sides on the power of 2. So just send 2 up and bring log of x base 3 down. So log of 2 base 2 will be becoming 1 over here. This is 2, we are knowing. Now let's write both the sides on the power of 3. So log of x base 3 is 2, we are knowing. Power of 3. 3 power 2 is equal to 9 will be becoming. And x to the power log of 3 base 3 will be 1. So we'll be going to get the value of x as 9 over here. Now what would be the next value of y? I'll be going to write like log of y is equal to 0. This is base 2, we are knowing. This is base 3, we are knowing. And this is base 2, we are knowing. Now let's write both the sides on power of 2 at power of 2. So what will be written by us? 2 will be sent up and everything else will be brought down. That means log of y base 2 base 3, and this will be becoming log of 2 base 2, that will be becoming 1. So here we will be going to get 1 over here. Now let's write on both the sides on the power of 3. So this will be becoming 1 over here. So log of y base 2 to the power log of 3 base 3 will be again becoming 1 over here, and this will be written as 3 by me. Now let's write both the sides on power of 2. So we'll be going to get this equal to, I'll be going to rub it over here, y to the power log of 2 base 2 is equal to 8 over here. This will be becoming 1 over here. So y is equal to 8 will be achieved by me. The value of x plus y was asked to you. That will be becoming 9 plus 8, that is 17 will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.